opportunity to welcome back our Qantas and One World frequent flyers. As you are settling in, please place all large bags in the overhead lockers and smaller bags under the seat in front. If you are seated in business or in an exit row, all bags must now be placed in the overhead lockers. We would ask that you check that you are seated in the seat allocated on your boarding pass, your seatbelt's firmly fastened, your seat back is upright, and your tray table is locked in. And if you are in a seat with an in-arm entertainment screen, please make sure it's now stowed away until the seatbelt sign has been switched on. All electronic devices, including mobile phones, must now be set to flight mode. Small handheld devices may be used for takeoff, but please put away laptop computers and other large devices. Radio transmitters and devices without flight mode cannot be used at any time during the flight. And just a reminder, please be aware that smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted on board this aircraft.
Qantas supports UNICEF, so
We appreciate that many of you fly with us regularly, but we would like your attention just for a few moments while the cabin crew run through the safety features of our A380 aircraft.
G'day, and welcome to Qantas. For almost 100 years we've been connecting Aussies with the world and the entire world in the spirit of Australia. Wherever your journey takes you today, arriving safely is our first priority. So pay attention for the next few minutes to learn the features of your Qantas Airbus A380, and we'll show you just how far and wide our spirit goes.
How'd you go?
You sit in the front seat.
Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the clasp into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. If your seat is fitted with a sash belt, ensure it's in place for takeoff and landing. You can undo your seatbelt by pressing the button. For your safety, keep it done up low and tight during takeoff, landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is on. That includes infants and children. While seated at other times, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened.
Yes, Toka. You think, but nobody laughed.
Oxygen is required. The mask will drop to the bottom. Pull down firmly
To activate the oxygen, put it on quickly and tighten the strap. Oxygen will flow without the bag inflating. Fix your own mask first, and then help others.
Set the life jacket under your seat, next to it, or in the leg rest. Remove your life jacket from the pouch by pulling the tab. Put it over your head, pass the strap around your waist, clip at the front, then tighten. There's a red tag and mouthpiece for inflation, and a whistle and light. Make sure you only inflate your life jacket after you leave the aircraft.
In the unlikely event of an emergency, make sure you're familiar with the brace position. If you can reach the seat in front, brace by folding your arms on the back of the seat and rest your forehead on your arms. If you can't reach the seat in front, lean as far forward as you can and hold onto your legs. If your seat has a sash belt, sit upright, place your hands on your legs and bring your chin to your chest.
Lights will guide you to your exit. The crew members are pointing them out now. Take a moment to locate your nearest exit as the cabin crew points them out. It might be behind you. To remember your nearest exit, count the rows between you and that exit.
Hey there!
Hey fellas, how you going? Same flight way?
Double shot, mate.
Had a big night last night.
Your aircraft has great coffee too. It also has escape slides and life rafts, which the crew will operate in an emergency.
If you have to evacuate, leave all items behind. Slide leaning forward with your hands on your knees.
Smoking isn't allowed on Qantas flights. Your aircraft is fitted with smoke detectors, including in the toilets. So there's no smoking. This includes e-cigarettes.
Store your bags in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you. Your phone should already be in flight mode. If it isn't, please do so now.
I've dropped my phone.
If you lose your electronic device at any time, please avoid moving your seat or trying to retrieve it, as phones and tablets may be destroyed if they're caught in the seat mechanism. Thank you. Just ask a crew member for help. For important information on deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, check out the health and safety section in your Qantas magazine.
What's this? Some chili crab. Thanks very much. Enjoy. It's also time to ensure your seat back is upright and your tray table is stowed. And if you missed anything, it's on your safety card. Or speak to a crew member. Whether you're starting your journey or coming home, welcome aboard. If you need anything, just ask the crew. They're here to help, so follow their instructions at all times. Have a great flight, and thank you for choosing Qantas, the spirit of Australia.
to Melbourne. The local time is approximately 5:08 AM on Sunday, July the 14th. With your safety in mind, please stay in your seat until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. If your mobile phone is handy, you may now deactivate flight mode. If you are continuing on a Qantas domestic flight, please make your way to the Qantas domestic terminal. For Jetstar flights, please make your way to Terminal 4. Once you've cleared immigration, collected your bags and cleared customs. If you are continuing on another international flight and you do have a boarding pass, check the screens throughout the terminal for details of your next flight departure. If you do not have a boarding pass, simply make your way to the transfer area. And as always, the Qantas ground team will be happy to assist. This week is NAIDOC Week in Australia, a celebration of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander history, culture and achievements. As we arrive into Melbourne, we pay our respects to the Wurundjeri people of the Kulin Nation. Once again, we would ask that you remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. And do take care when you are opening your overhead lockers, as your bags may have moved during the flight and they could fall out. Take a moment now to check your seat and your seat pocket for any personal belongings. And just a reminder that smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted in the Melbourne terminal. On behalf of the Qantas team and One World, I'd like to thank you for flying with us. If you're visiting Melbourne, we hope you enjoy your stay, and of course, for those returning, welcome home.